Mastering the Javelin, a step-by-step guide to training. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic: training for javelin. This phrase might seem straightforward, but it's packed with interesting nuances that can enrich your understanding of English, especially in the context of sports and physical activities. So, grab your notebooks, and let's get started. Training for javelin refers to the preparation and practice someone undergoes to excel in the javelin throw, a track and field event. The javelin throw involves propelling a long, spear-like object as far as possible. But this phrase isn't just about throwing. It's about the dedication, techniques, and physical conditioning required to improve performance. Key components: physical training. This includes exercises to enhance strength, flexibility, and endurance. Technical skills. Learning the correct way to hold, run with, and throw the javelin. Mental preparation. Developing focus, confidence, and the ability to perform under pressure. Training for javelin is multifaceted, involving various stages and aspects that contribute to a thrower's success. Initial preparation. Understanding the basics. Beginners must familiarize themselves with the javelin's weight, grip, and the basic throwing stance. Safety measures. Since javelin throwing can be dangerous, learning safety precautions is crucial. Advanced techniques. Throwing mechanics. Advanced training focuses on refining the throw's phases: the approach, the transition, the throw, and the recovery. Conditioning workouts. Specific exercises target the muscles and movements crucial for javelin throwing, such as core strengthening and leg power drills. Consistent practice. Routine practice sessions. Regular practice is essential for muscle memory and technique improvement. Feedback and adjustments. Athletes work with coaches to analyze their throws and make necessary adjustments. Success in javelin throw doesn't come overnight. It requires continuous effort, motivation, and the willingness to overcome challenges. Highlighting stories of famous javelin throwers can serve as inspiration, showcasing the results of hard work and dedication. We hope this video has shed light on what training for javelin truly means and inspires you in your own training or learning journey. Whether you're an athlete or an English language learner, remember that perseverance and dedication are key to achieving excellence. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.